If you want to connect a printer to Realme GT8 Pro, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Next, over here, we're going to tap on Device Connect. And then if you scroll down, you should be able to find the print option. First, we can go to default print service in order to try to detect your printer over here. And you can also use this plus button in the upper right corner in order to search by IP address. Or we can search for Wi-Fi direct printers. But sometimes you can immediately detect your printer in here. Now, of course, there are cases when you cannot detect your printer like this. So you might need to go to Add Print Service. You will open the Play Store where we can find a bunch of different plugins and additional services that we can get for our printers, which might be necessary in some cases. So you will need to get these additional plugins, and then you might be able to actually find your printer. And in some other cases, specific models of printers require you to get very specific apps. And unfortunately, in that case, I cannot really tell you how to get it, because in that case, every printer has its own app or something like that. So you will have to simply follow the instructions of the manual. So essentially find the manual of your printer in order to find out how to properly connect your printer with Realme GT8 Pro, with Android in general, of course. And you should be able to find these apps in the Play Store in order to then quickly connect the printer with your Realme GT8 Pro. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.